You are welcome in the zoology class run by Society of Career Technology and Jan Vikas Mahasabha. Today we will talk about some questions asked in competitive examinations and how to answer them. Try to maintain the time management. In competitions it is important that for every question there is a specific time, limited time, and you have to answer it in that specific time. So in some competition there is 4 options, 1 2 3 4. It may be A B C D, or it may be 4 circles, and in which in one of the circle you have to blacken it by the HB pencil. So which one of these is not a eukaryote? And the second question is, different cells have different sizes. This is another type of question. Are in the following cells in ascending order of their size? Choose the correct option among the followings. First mycoplasma, second ostrich egg, third human RBC, and fourth bacteria. Options are A, second, first, third and fourth, B, second, third, second, first and fourth, C option is 1, 4, 3 and second, D option is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to select the sequence of these types of cells in ascending order of increasing size. The third question is, which of the following features is common to prokaryotes and many eukaryotes? 1. Cell wall present, chromosomes present, nuclear membrane present, subcellular organelles present. And the answer is, which of the fourth question, which of the following not true of a eukaryotic cell? Mind it, sometimes there may be a question that in 4 answers, one which is correct. In this type of question, you also get where one answer which is incorrect and 3 of them are correct. So which of the following is not true of a eukaryotic cell? Mitochondria contain circular DNA, membrane bound organelles are present. 3. It has ATS type of ribosome in cytoplasm. 4th, it has ATS type of ribosome present in mitochondria. Now the answer is, which one of these is not a eukaryote? Anabaena is the answer. Anabaena is a blue-green algae like Oscillatoria and nostoc, which is a prokaryote. Second, different cells have different sizes, are in the following sequence in ascending order. C is the correct answer. 1, 4, 3 and second. Mycoplasma, bacteria, human RBC, then ostrich eggs. Which of the following features is common to prokaryotes and many eukaryotes? Actually the answer is cell wall present. Which of the following is not true of a eukaryotic cell? Means 3 of them are the correct answer, 1 you have to find which is incorrect. And it is the fourth one. It has ATS type of ribosome present in mitochondria. In mitochondria we get 55S ribosome. So this is the answer. Question is, you have to consider following statements for a cell. Cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit of all living organisms. Second, Robert Hooke first saw and described a live cell. C. Microscope and electron microscope revealed all structural details of cell. Antony von Leeuwenhoek discovered nucleus. Of the above statements, you have to find it. So, mind it, this is a tricky question. First option is B and D are correct. Second option is A and B are correct. Third option is A and C are correct. And fourth option is A and D are correct. So in some competitions you can also get this type of question. Answer is C. which means both A and C are correct. A cell is the fundamental structural and functional unit. Microscope and EM will reveal all structural details of the cell. So here two answers are correct. This is one style of a question. Here there is a diagram of a typical animal cell, and you have to correctly identify labeling A to F. And there are four options in which different labelings are there. You have to find it out which one is correct. A. Golgi apparatus, B. Plasma membrane, C. Lysosome, D. Cytoplasm. So this way there are four groupings of answers. Here B is the correct option. A. Golgi, B. Plasma membrane, C. Lysosome, D. Mitochondria, and E. the cytoplasm. One more question. Here there is a new style of question. In following 5 statements A to E for cell theory, select the options with all correct statements. 1. Schleiden and Schwann together formulated cell theory. 2nd, Schwann 1839 studied plant cells and reported that cells had a thin outer layer today known as plasma membrane. 3rd, Rudolf Virchow 1855 said that new cells are formed from pre-existing cells, omnicellular, acellular. So there are 5 statements, and the options are: first, the correct options are A, C and D, B, A, B and D, C, A, D and E, D, B, C and E. Now it is a simple question, but the style is different, where you have to use your intelligence. The answer is A, C and D. A, Schleiden and Schwann, C, Rudolf Virchow, and D, Schwann proposed that bodies of animals and plants are composed of cells. So this much for the day. Thank you very much. On the next turn, we will talk about some more questions and some more text. Thank you very much.